Now, this video is for all of you that are running the Kingdom theme, which is the WooZone Amazon affiliate theme that I've recommended a number of times in previous tutorials. I'm going to show you in this video how you can make the blog section look a bit better. So that's good, isn't it? Let's go. Hello, it's Alex here. Hope you're all well. So this is just a quick video that I recorded just today. Really just off the top of my head, because I was looking at one of my sites that's running the Kingdom theme. I was adding some content to the blog, and I was looking at the blog and I thought, I think we could get this looking a little bit better. So it's got a few little CSS tweaks in this tutorial. You'll find them over at wpeagle.com. I'll put a direct link in the description, and I suggest you follow that because you're going to need to copy and paste a few little bits of CSS code into your settings in order for the stuff that I'm showing in this video to work. Now, before we get on with it, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you on board. Do click the subscribe button below. Click the bell to be notified when I upload a new video, which tends to be every single week. And yeah, if you like this video, click the like button. All the usual stuff. Anyway, let's get on the computer and I'll show you exactly how I improved the look of the Kingdom blog. Okay, so here we are, we're over at Boot Boutique, and as I said, I was looking around the site the other day and looking at the blog in particular, which I've got here, because I was adding some content. By the way, I uploaded a video recently. I think recently, I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, but yeah, I have recently uploaded a video on adding content to your site and optimizing it and all that kind of stuff, so do check it out. I'll put a link in the description and put a card up and that kind of stuff. But anyway, yeah, as I was saying, so yeah, I was over at the blog and I was looking at it and I thought, it looks a bit rubbish. A bit, yeah, well, it could be better, let's just say. I know rubbish is a very English word. It looks a bit garbage. That doesn't make sense either, does it? But anyway, I think it could look better. Generally, I've been running this one with the sidebar. But you can also have it full width. Either way, it doesn't look particularly great. The problem is that it's kind of stretching these images so they're not in the right proportions. And like the text is only using half of the space. It just doesn't look very good. So I'm just going to do a little bit of CSS now. You'll find all the CSS code that I use over at WP Eagle. I'll put a link in the description again. All you need to do is copy and paste it. And the stuff you're going to be copying and pasting is this. So I'm just going to generate the code on the fly as we go. The first thing is this image. It's not the right height. So I'm just going to find, here we go. Look, it's got a height set of 220. I've actually just been editing this image, and the best dimensions for a blog image on Kingdom are 867 by 376. And I can see that the height here is 222. So let me change this height to, so even if you don't specify a height, it looks better. Like that. You see that now they look proper, they're the right proportions and they're not all squashed. So that's the first thing. Let's add that to our customizer. So I'm just going to copy that. And then I'm going to go into customize. I'm going to do it in a new tab. So you can add all your custom CSS down here in additional CSS. I've already got a few bits and bobs in here. I'm just going to scroll to the bottom. I'm just going to paste that in. I'm actually just going to clean it up a little bit. I don't need all that stuff. I only need the height bit. And so you don't need to worry about this. All you need to do is go over to wpeagle.com, find this this video, and then just copy and paste the code into your additional CSS section. So let's publish that. Let's see if it's made this one better too. Let's have a look. There we go. Look at that. Much better already. And then the next thing we need to do is just get this text filling the full width. I don't know. I mean, why? I don't know why. Let's find what the CSS says. So not in there. Must be in here in this div. It does have a width of 100%, but it's not filling. Filling the full width, which is strange. Let me just do an important. Is that going to change it? Nope. I'll put some pixels in it. What does that do? Aha, that's looking better. Oh, let me get rid of that important now. So how wide is this page? Let's have a look. 1164. So if we set this to 1164, there we go. That looks better, doesn't it? So again, I'm just going to copy this. You'll find it over at WP Eagle, as I've already said. I'm repeating myself. Paste that in. I'm going to get rid of this float. Don't need that. Publish. Basically, in custom CSS or additional CSS, you just want to put in the attributes and things that you're changing. Don't want to put stuff in that you're not changing. It just makes it messy. Let's refresh. Now I'm worried that it's going to break the sidebar one, but let's have a look, because the sidebar is not the sidebar page. You know, you got this bit down here is not as wide as that. So let's see what happens. Yeah. So we're going to need to make a little adjustment there. How wide is this? It is 861. So that's going to need to be 861, but only on the pages with the sidebar. So let's put that to. Ooh, I missed that completely. (861), and then to apply it to a page with a sidebar, let me see what we got. Have we got anything that kind of shows it's with a sidebar? Let's see what the difference is between these two pages. I'm sorry if this is making quite a boring video, but I thought I'd show you exactly the process I'm going through. Yeah, that's different. So I can use one of these. Let's go with this page template bog one. Oop. Like that. I'm going to add that in front of my width thingy. Does it need a dot? I think it probably does. Just like that. Let's copy that. Ooh, back into here. Paste that in. Publish. I'm no expert at CSS. I'm all self-taught. So if I'm doing this wrong, then please, if you're like a coder or something, do point me in the right direction. But this is how I do it. It seems to work. So let's refresh and see if it is indeed working. It is. So that looks nice. And then if you're going for the full width, and that looks nice too. So put all that code in and you'll be fine. And then if we just click through, everything is as it should be on the actual blog post. So that's it. Quite a dull video, I guess, but sometimes you've got to do these things if you want your blog looking better. So good luck with that. There we go. That looks better, doesn't it? I hope that's all worked for you. If you've got any questions or comments, then please leave them below and I'll do my best to reply to as many as I possibly can. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe eagle thing up there. Just give it a click. And as I said, click the bell and you'll get notified. Here's another video chosen specially for you. I hope you enjoy it. And there is my other channel, which is my blog channel, all about all sorts of stuff. So go check it out. Until next time, bye for now.